Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and realizing thousands of dollars are gone. You did not spend it. You did not transfer it. Yet somehow, someone out there is living your financial life instead of you. Scary, right? That's the nightmare of identity theft. And here's the twist. Most victims do not even realize it's happening until the damage is already done. In this video, I'll explain step by step how identity theft happens, how criminals trick people just like you, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. Stick with me, because near the end, I'll share one prevention tip so powerful that many identity thieves simply give up when they see it. Number 1. What identity theft really is. At its core, identity theft is when someone uses your personal information without your permission to commit fraud. This could be your name, your social security number, your credit card, or even your medical insurance details. Once a thief has these, they can open accounts in your name, run up debt, file fake tax returns, or even get medical treatment, pretending to be you. For example, imagine a thief stealing your social security number and using it to open a credit card. You never see the bills, but suddenly, your credit score tanks. When you apply for a car loan, you get denied. That's when you realize someone else has been driving your financial future. Number 2. How thieves actually steal your information. Many beginners think identity theft only happens when you lose your wallet. But thieves are much sneakier. They steal data in multiple ways. Phishing emails are one of the most common tricks. You might get an email that looks like it's from your bank, asking you to verify your account. You click the link, type in your info, and boom, it goes straight to the thief. There's also data breaches. For example, in the last decade, huge companies like Equifax and Target were hacked, exposing millions of social security numbers and credit card details. If your info was in those systems, it's out there on the dark web. Even dumpster diving happens. Some thieves literally go through trash looking for bank statements or medical bills. One woman in Texas found out her medical records were stolen from her trash, and someone used her insurance to get surgery. Number 3. The biggest red flags that you're a victim. So how do you know if your identity is stolen? The signs can be subtle. You start receiving bills for accounts you never opened. Debt collectors call you about loans you never applied for. You notice small charges on your credit card that you didn't make. Thieves often test the waters with a small purchase before going big. Another sign, you suddenly stop getting your regular mail, like bank statements. A thief may have changed your mailing address to reroute your bills. One man shared that he applied for a mortgage, only to find out someone had already taken out 3 credit cards in his name. He didn't notice until his credit report revealed it. Number 4. Why beginners are often the easiest targets. Here's the truth. Thieves love people who don't think they're vulnerable. If you think, oh, I don't have much money, no one would want my identity, that makes you an easy target. Even a college student with a $300 balance is valuable to criminals because they can use that social security number to create fake profiles and build up debt. Think of it this way. Your identity is worth more than gold on the black market. In fact, according to research, a single social security number can sell for up to $100 online, while stolen medical records can go for $1,000 or more. Number 5. Everyday habits that put you at risk. Let's get practical. A lot of identity theft happens because of small, daily mistakes. Using public Wi-Fi at a coffee shop without a VPN, that's like leaving your front door wide open. A thief can easily grab your passwords. Sharing too much on social media, posting your birthday, pet's name, or even pictures of your new driver's license can give thieves the clues they need to crack your passwords. Even reusing the same password across multiple accounts is a massive risk. If one site gets hacked, every other account with that password is now vulnerable. Number 6. How to lock down your information today. Now, here's where you can start protecting yourself immediately. Shred sensitive documents before throwing them away. A $30 shredder can save you thousands in damage. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. If that sounds impossible to remember, use a password manager app. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. That means even if someone steals your password, they'll still need your phone or email to log in. For example, if you log into your bank account, the bank might text you a code. Without that code, the thief is locked out. Number 7. Protecting your social security number. Your social security number is like the key to your financial life. Protect it at all costs. Never carry your social security card in your wallet. Too many people lose their wallets and give thieves exactly what they need. Don't share your number unless absolutely necessary. If a doctor's office asks for it, ask if they can use a different form of ID. Many places request. It's simply out of habit, not necessity. One woman shared her story of being denied credit after her social security number was stolen from a stolen purse. She now keeps her card locked in a safe at home, only taking it out when needed. Number 8. The power of monitoring and alerts. This is one of the most effective strategies against identity theft. Regularly check your bank statements. If you see a $5 charge you don't recognize, don't ignore it. It could be a test run by a thief. Check your credit report at least once a year. In the USA, you can get a free report from each bureau once every 12 months at annualcreditreport.com. That means you can stagger them and check every 4 months for free. Even better, set up free account alerts with your bank or credit card company. That way, every time there's a transaction, you get a text or email. It's like having a watchdog guarding your money. Number 9. What to do if you're already a victim. If you suspect identity theft, act fast. The quicker you respond, the less damage you'll face. First, contact your bank or credit card company and freeze the accounts. They'll help stop further charges. Second, file a report with the Federal Trade Commission at identitytheft.gov. They'll guide you step by step. Third, place a fraud alert on your credit file with one of the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. Once you do it with one, they notify the others. This makes it harder for thieves to open new accounts in your name. Finally, if it's serious, file a police report. It creates an official record that can help you fight fraudulent charges. Number 10. The ultimate prevention tip most people ignore. Here's the prevention tip I promised earlier: the credit freeze. A credit freeze locks your credit report so no one, not even you, can open a new account until you unlock it. It's free, and you can lift it whenever you want. Think of it like putting a deadbolt on your financial door. Even if a thief has your social security number, they can't open new credit in your name because lenders won't be able to check your report. Many people skip this because they think it's complicated. But it's actually simple. You just contact each of the 3 credit bureaus online, set up the freeze, and you're done. One man who did this shared that when a thief tried to open a credit card using his info, the lender rejected it because of the freeze. His identity was safe. Number 11. Watch out for skimming devices. Identity thieves often install tiny skimming machines on ATMs or gas station pumps. These devices copy the information on your debit or credit card when you swipe it. You may not even notice because they look like normal card readers. To protect yourself, always tug on the card slot before inserting your card. If it feels loose or odd, don't use it. Better yet, use contactless payments like Tap to Pay or mobile wallets. They are encrypted and harder for thieves to steal. Number 12. Beware of phone scams. Scammers love to call pretending to be the IRS, your bank, or even tech support. They'll say things like, "Your account has been compromised. Give me your social security number to fix it." No real company or government agency will ask for sensitive information over the phone. If you get a call like this, hang up and call the official number listed on the company's website. For example, the IRS has warned that they never demand immediate payment over the phone. That's always a scam. Number 13. Protect your medical identity. Identity theft isn't just about money. Criminals also steal medical identities. This happens when someone uses your insurance to get prescriptions or medical treatment under your name. The danger? Their medical information could get mixed with yours, leading to wrong diagnoses or treatments. Always check your explanation of benefit statements from your insurance company. If you see charges for services you never had, report it right away. Number 14. Safeguard your mail. Believe it or not, old-fashioned mail theft is still common. Thieves steal mail to grab bank statements, credit card offers, or checks. A simple solution is to use a locked mailbox or a P.O. box. You can also sign up for informed delivery from the USPS, which emails you scans of your incoming mail. That way, you'll know if something is missing. Number 15. Be careful with online shopping. Shopping online is convenient, but it can also be risky if you're not cautious. Only shop on websites that start with HTTPS, which means the site is secure. Avoid using debit cards online because they're directly linked to your bank account. Use a credit card instead, since it offers stronger fraud protection. For example, if a hacker steals your debit card info, they can empty your checking account instantly. With a credit card, you can dispute the charges. Number 16. Freeze your child's credit too. Most people don't realize that children are prime targets for identity theft. Thieves steal kids' social security numbers because no one checks their credit until years later, often when they apply for student loans or a first job. Parents can freeze their child's credit with all three bureaus. It's free, and it ensures thieves can't build fake identities using their child's name. Number 17. Use alerts on tax filings. Tax identity theft is a growing problem. Criminals file fake tax returns using your social security number to steal refunds. One way to protect yourself is to file your taxes early. The earlier you file, the less chance a thief has to file before you. The IRS also offers something called an identity protection PIN. It's a special code you need to file your tax return. Even if a thief has your social security number, they can't file without that PIN. Number 18. Secure your digital devices. Your phone and laptop are gold mines for thieves. If they get stolen, they can access saved passwords, emails, and banking apps. Set up a strong password or fingerprint lock on every device. Turn on remote wipe features so you can erase your data if your device is stolen. And never leave your phone unattended in public places like gyms or coffee shops. Identity theft is one of the fastest growing crimes in the USA. Millions of Americans fall victim every year, losing not only money but also years of their financial lives. But here's the good news. With the right habits and a few protective steps, you can stay one step ahead of the criminals. Now let me ask you, what's one habit you already do to protect yourself from identity theft? And what's one new step from this video you're going to start today?